What's up, everyone? It's your boy Kenneth Smith Jr. and I am super thankful that you're watching this video right now. Listen, today we're going to be talking about what is credit. So what is credit? Credit, according to dictionary.com, is the ability to obtain goods or services with a promised payment in the future. See, in America, we have something called a credit score, which depicts your ability to pay someone back. Credit scores ranges from 300 all the way up to 850. Now, with a good credit score, for one, you can get approved for credit to be able to use credit, and two, you can have a low interest rate or a no interest rate. Now, what is interest? Interest is the fees that a lender will charge you in order to use credit. And with the higher interest rate, the more fees you will pay. Now, let me give you an example of something that's relatable to everyone of what bad credit and no credit is. So, let's say you have a friend named Jimmy and he asked to borrow something from you. But you know Jimmy doesn't pay anyone back. He hasn't paid you back from the last time you let him borrow something. That's an example of a person who would have bad credit. And you'd most likely tell Jimmy, I'm sorry, Jimmy, I'm not going to let you borrow credit. But Ashley, on the other hand, she always pays everyone back. So when she comes to ask to borrow something from you, you'd say, of course, Ashley, I'll let you borrow this because you always pay people back. So fast forward to the adult life. Let's say there's a TV that you want that's $1,000, but you don't want to forfeit the cash you have in the bank right now to pay for it all up front, or you don't have the cash to pay for the TV, but you want it. So what you decide to do is to finance it, which means to use credit. So you decide to finance the TV, and with a good credit score, they'll say, all right, John, you're not going to pay anything today. You don't have to if you don't want to. So you're going to have a zero down payment on this TV. And matter of fact, you'll have no interest. Just pay us back within the next 2 years. And your minimum monthly payment is such and such. So let's say $30. And you leave all happy. Now, the person with a not so good credit score may walk in, and for one, they may have to pay for it all up front because they can't get approved. Or if they do get approved, they'll have to pay back with a high interest rate, which means they will actually they'll pay, instead of $1,000 for the TV, they'll actually end up paying $2,000. And on top of that, may have a down payment up front. So, from this talk, hopefully you've been able to get a clear understanding of what credit is, how it impacts you, and how important it is. So, you may be wondering, well, how do I get a good credit score, Kenneth? Okay, well, let me share with you how to get a good credit score in the next video. So what I want you to do is click the link below. Do it right now. Don't wait. Click the link below because I'm going to actually be sharing with you how to get a good credit score. Very, very important for your life. Also, follow me on all the social media platforms I'm on. That's all listed in the description. And I just want to say, listen, continue to live the best version of you and make things happen. See you in the next video.